Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Visa gift card to Doordash. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Doordash application, which of course I've done right here, and it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage. Now, where do you find Doordash? Pretty simple. You can find Doordash in Google Play Store or Apple Store, or you can even use the web application using any browser of your choice. Now, once you sign up successfully, then you sign up successfully as well, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Doordash. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to add Visa gift card to Doordash. Now, from the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find three icons, which is your account icon, and you're going to find the notification icon. You're also going to find the cart icon. Now, go ahead and click on your account icon, which is just before the notification icon. It's going to take you to this accounts window. Now, over here, you're going to find profile, Doordash rewards, get USD, payment method, addresses, save, notifications, video setting, get cards for friends, get help, privacy, become a dasher, and a lot more. So go ahead and click on gift cards because you want to add your gift card, right? Okay, so this is how you can add a Visa gift card to DoorDash. So once you get over here, now it says buy gift card, or do you have a gift card? So you can have the option of redeeming your gift card. Okay, so head over to enter gift card pin. That's if you have a gift card and you want to redeem your gift card with pin, you can go ahead and click on enter gift card pin and enter your pin. All right, so that's just it. And then the next thing is redeem a gift card. So if you want to click on redeem a gift card, enter the gift card pin, and once you enter the gift card pin, you will see redeem gift card button available or activated. So click on that and you'll be able to add your Visa gift card. Now, gift card amounts will be added to your DoorDash credits, which are automatically applied to your next order. This is pretty much the process. This is where you can add a Visa gift card or whatever gift card that you have. It's just like I'm doing a tongue twister sort of. So enter your gift card pin, and this is just pretty much the process. So once you're checking out, once you place an order and you head over to the checkout window or you want to check out, you're going to see an option to use your card, your gift card that you've added. So you can use that and get any discount that you want to get, or just pay using your gift card instead of using your cash. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.